Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Gonna do the Sunday simulations, but just Euro USD. We'll do a couple days, taking our new lower time frame strategy into effect, based off higher time frame direction too. But we'll be trading based off that. We'll choose a couple random days and just trade off of that. So let's do it.
Let's do it, everybody.
Should we use a random days or random.org?
Well, if you can only use 1 minute charts with the last 5 weeks.
5 weeks? Okay.
Yeah, so I don't know. You can pick. Yeah, we can do the random generator if you want, and then
Just pick 2
weeks,
random days. Dude, I say let's go with July 20th. Or one of the days.
Random generator thing.
Nah, we'll just save that time, and then I'll pick July 20th as a day. And which day do you want to do?
Let's go July 28th.
28th. Okay. Oh yeah, 20th is a Monday. It's 28th is a Tuesday. Let's go 28th first or 20th first.
20th first.
Yeah, I guess it's earlier, so then you can see direction later on. Oh, whoops. Probably want to replay 20th. Let's go all the way back to the 17th. Unhide this. There we go. So let's look at the higher time frames real quick. Weekly. Oh, this is a weekly bullish breakout, isn't it now?
Oof.
So now you kind of have to look for buys.
Yeah.
Daily, yeah, buys are going to be above the 114.50 level. So we can just draw like a quick zone right here.
Yeah.
Kind of have a thing
about
about
multiple times, but this current daily candlestick just formed above the previous two.
Yeah.
Good.
Even the weekly, I think the weekly formed pretty nice. Yeah, the weekly formed very nicely. 4 hour, kind of a pullback. But yeah, anything above 114.50 would be a buy. Yeah, it's starting to break out. But okay, let's fast forward. Starts off the week. Boom, 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 boom. This is why you don't trade Sundays.
No.
That consolidation range. Oh, there it goes. What time did that break out? 11 o'clock.
It's all good. Look at that. It's a breakup higher now.
3 o'clock. Yeah, so 4 o'clock. And now 5 o'clock.
One more at 6 or?
No, we start trading at 6.
Wait, is this the? Oh, this is the 5 o'clock candles.
Yeah, 5:30. So
this is at 6. Okay.
So based off the higher time frame and based off the break of 114.50, now you look for like lower time frame, kind of like a support to be formed, kind of like a break upwards. So based off our strategy, even like if you go to the 5 minute and the 1 minute, what we take into consideration is going to be something like this. Kind of have this move form.
July 20th, right?
20th, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you even, so if you go to enter, does it just stay? Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, I just use it like a number pad. 1 to enter, 2 enter, 3 enter, 5 enter, 10. It's way quicker.
That is quick. So this is a 601.
There's no news on the Monday, by the way. There's
No,
the
there's-
economic summit, EU economic summit, but that's like the whole day. So we're good on the news.
We're good on the news front, hey? I'm gonna go the 609 candlestick.
Okay, that's
607. Do you have any analysis? I'm still bullish on it. Obviously, we know
yeah,
what
I'm so
happens.
bullish. It's tapping. What time is it? I typically go with 5 minute candlesticks and just move it, and then when we're at like 10 minutes, 1, 2, and 10.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. So, yeah, you see this 5 minute kind of retested here. It's a support. So the thing with the lower time frames is that's how we get the best possible entries, right? So if we get an entry here instead of an entry up here, then our risk is literally like below here. You know what I mean? So that's going to help with our entries, and it reduces our risk while making the probabilities of getting 10 pips higher. So even if we entered on the break of this 5 minute candle at 114.50, you could have a 10 pip stop at 114.40 or something, hypothetically, right? So
yeah, so right now we're in a nice little range here. And how much? Yeah, we do have 15 pips room. Let's just see here.
This range?
Typically, though, like one thing I've been trying to do when I was simulating on my own there is that like we're trying to typically go 1-for-1, right? So it depends on this risk and how it's played out, because like right now the risk for this trade is probably looking at like 7 pips, 8 pips from the bottom.
Yeah. You mean to
So
this
I
side?
would just probably go 7-8 pips, just because right now we're in a 15 pip range. So I wouldn't try to go for the full 10 pips, because the thing is, what happens for me, I'm just thinking what happens if like something
Doesn't
like
it?
this,
Yeah.
then it's just like we're kind of stuck. Because the one thing is, and this is for not only trading, it's for investing, it's actually for life in general, is that the more further out you're trying to predict, the more cloudy the judgments of you or the results going to be, because for the fact that there's always new news, new variables added to the equation. For us, the best trades are the quickest ones.
Yeah.
And then once you have a runner, who cares?
That's the highest probability, right? The quicker one.
Yeah. Like I would love to, for every single trade, whether it be a win or a loss, to be in and out of that trade in 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
Is my ideal situation. You know what I mean? Because like for example, if you took the short, let's just say we were trading a lot earlier, that's what you're trying to look for, that breakdown. If you let's look at the 1 minute chart. I know we're trying to predict for the future here, but just the 1 minute chart, just look at how easily, if you kind of view how easily you see this breakdown right here.
Yeah, that was quick. Even on this candlestick.
Yeah. Like all you need to do was to like, if you were just trading on smaller time frames and you know that you see a double top here, and then you put a sell stop like somewhere around here, because this is like, this in itself is a mini zone right here.
Yeah. I'd probably put it on this 1 minute right here, just for the fact remember how we see like if it's a big 1 minute candle like this.
Yeah, exactly. It breaks so many levels. Yeah, I totally agree. So like you can, like kind of what Simmer says, you can put the first, wrong one. You can put the first trade here, right? Half position, second position here. So then your average price is around here, and then your take profits around here, which is ideal, which is 7 pips, and you're only risking, honestly, if your average price is 56, your average price is 63, which is the next high, or which is the previous high here, right?
So that's 7 or like 8 for, it even continued down.
Yeah.
But depends like on higher time frames, like which bias you have or how the structure's forming too. Like for the shorts, I would probably get out quicker than the longs.
Yeah.
Longs you can let hold on this one. But anyways, let's continue. I think for this one, what I'm anticipating, I would have a buy stop above here.
Yeah.
So I'd probably put it at like 51 buy stop right now.
Yeah, I agree. Because it's already made the move. Honestly, can you go back to the 5 minute? Are we at the 5?
No, here's the 5 right here.
Yeah, like at the 5 right here and stuff. Like one thing I always like to see is like, it's a green. We're at somewhere of a support level, and then that green candlestick definitely breaks above, or it forms above the previous bullish candlestick.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, honestly, for me and stuff, you can probably test it with, maybe not. If you want to be super safe, I agree. Put a buy stop at 51.
Well, you put a buy stop here and then a buy limit here or something, and then you have your stop here, right? That's kind of like my type of trade right there.
Yeah.
So actually, considering that I think that's safe, but I think I'm gonna do that on this one. Buy stop and then a buy limit down here.
What time is this exactly on the 1 minute? We're at 6:15? Or no?
6:10 basically.
Can you go 2 minutes?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. That's 2 minutes.
I like that. And like the 2 minutes here, what I like to see too is that you have this that formed above.
Yeah.
Right here. You have a retest right here. And then now I think that's an inch up higher. So honestly, for the 2 minutes right now, I probably punch in half. And then on the smaller time frames, I might punch in another half. Depending, I just want to kind of see, but I'll punch in 50 just as a gauger.
Yeah, that's true actually. The good old gauges. I might join you on the gauger right here too.
Yeah. Okay,
So right
I'm just
now,
gonna- you write this down on that. 50%. What prices are we at?
48 4.
48. Register 50%.
Fast forward 1 minute.
Oh, dude, why is mine black? That's so weird. I've done it twice now. My bad. I can't even see it very well. Oh, because yeah. All right. Yeah, fast forward it.
Black writing up here.
Yeah, I know. It's let me just change that real
Damn,
quick.
my buy limit? Nah, I don't think I would have bought it on that. That's too quick. One more. What time is this? 11. Probably go another one. Ooh, yeah. I think I'd still have a buy stop above here. I want to be a little bit safer.
Yeah, I agree. Can we? What's your buy stops at? 50%.
Probably put 51.4 so then it's easier to figure out the average price. It would be
In between,
49.9. Quick math.
Man, I can't edit this. That's so bad. Oh, well, 50% buy stops too. I agree. Yeah, I would take the same trade.
Yeah. What's this? 612. So we can go 2 minute, I'm pretty sure. Oh no, we can't, but anyways. 1 minute, 2 minute. Yeah, as you can see, this is being respected. So any move above here, you could have it continuing.
Yeah.
And we shall see if it continues. Ooh, damn. 616. Oh, I missed a 15-minute candle. Fuck it.
Oof.
Stop for me is 10 pips down here. 39.9. I'm gonna put that in.
I don't know why I can't edit. Okay, well, I'm gonna say clear all my drawings, and I'm just gonna go.
Dude, look how close that was to the stop.
Nice. Go 2 minutes. Like
2 minutes? Okay. Is this
Or where are we?
27? Yeah, here we go. 2 minutes.
Are we at 30 now?
Almost at 30. One more candlestick.
Stick. Yeah, I'd probably punch 2 minute, 1 minute. Is it? Can we get 3 minutes? What time is it?
Pretty sure. Oh no, not 3 minutes, but we know what happens.
Okay. Go back to
4,
2.
5, 2. Yeah, I mean it's holding. Kind of just have like a fake out downward move right now. Maybe to grab liquidity on the 1 hour or something.
Yeah. 4. I think I'm gonna punch it 50% now.
Punching 50% now.
Yeah. What is it? What's the price? 1. This is where we.
Yo, yeah, this buy stop didn't get executed, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck. I should have put the market buy now. That's smarter. This is why if both of us are on it, we could actually like.
We can just talk about it, right? And it's 4 eyes. It's just, I don't know. This is what we're gonna try. This is be.
What would your market buy be at? Would it be like on the break upwards here?
I'm just buying it just because it's like it's holding now.
Okay.
And it formed above the previous kind of that like resistance. So what is it price now? 4.
I'm just gonna go 444. If it hit up there, something like that. So then the average would be like 464.
And then our risk would be kind of like
SL. I'd still probably put it like 36.
Yeah, I'm gonna put 38 SL.
38.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's actually better. I'm gonna put 38 too. I forgot the buy limit didn't even get, or buy stop didn't even get executed, so you still have the 50% to average down with.
So nice, yeah.
Boom. Oh, 628. 629. Can we look at 30 minutes? I think
30,
we
yeah,
can.
we can look at 30.
Oh, look at that doji respects this level and then pushes up higher.
Yeah.
So I guess we gotta break it down. 15-minute.
Yeah.
Kind of respecting that level. So yeah, the safest buys right now are gonna be above 50. Those are like safe buys.
Safe buys.
And in all honesty, if you wanted like a separate trade on it, that could be like a separate trade from like 50 to 60.
So how much pips are we risking? We're risking 6 pips.
8 pips.
Our average price. Oh yeah, 8 pips. Yeah, you're right. Okay.
But honestly, I think like a separate trade I would have is like 1451. Get like the 10 pipper, or even like a 5, considering this range, 5 to 7 pipper.
Yeah.
And then have the runner on that one. So a completely separate trade right here.
Yeah.
Momentum. Break above 114.50 would be clear buys and reversal. So I think I would have a 1.451 buy stop. Oh yeah, that was weird. 1.1451 buy stop. TP 10 pips. SL 10 pips. Just want to see if it plays out.
1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15. Just real quick.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 looks nice. 5, 10.
4 is so we see what happens in the future.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's true. I forgot about the time discrepancy.
Nice. Yeah. All right. That looks good. I think that's a liquidity grab too.
I think it is on the 1 hour. That could be like the 1 hour liquidity grab.
What price are we at? 48. Okay, perfect. Oh.
Oh.
One break up.
Ooh. Oof.
40.
Oof. No, we still get it. It hasn't hit down there yet.
Yeah. Close. 2 more pips. Yeah.
No, almost.
Yeah,
damn.
we're done.
We're done that trade. Guess it is a Monday too, so I guess Monday you're gonna see this type of stuff kind of happen in the weekly candlestick form. But this is a good lesson to be nimble.
Yes. See, now at 7 o'clock shows its real move. Close to 7, it shows its real move.
Yeah.
And it failed to. I think one thing that we should have been analyzing and we stopped was that essentially then when we saw this 1 minute fail to break.
Yeah, that's true.
Again, that's the 4th time it hit that area. 1, 2, 3, 4. That when it was like when it failed to break, broke this level here. Yeah, good join there. That was like, oh.
I think that's how we have to become more nimble, right? Like we gotta kind of.
The one thing is remember how we always say dojis don't mean shit, and that 30-minute candlestick, it was a doji.
It was a doji.
That means that the previous candlestick still has relevance, which is still down.
And the other thing is, even on this lower time frame, if we were still analyzing a break below 45, that would reduce our risk to even like 2-3 pips, which is way better than losing 10 pips or 8 pips, right?
Yeah, if losing 2 pips. Yeah, and honestly, at that point, once we're out of the trade, we would get more clarity for ourselves. That's like when we saw that, that was basically it formed below this previous support.
Right here, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, even like a sell stop at 39.
Yeah.
If you had a sell stop at 39, you get.
And then what would your risk be? 5 pips?
Maybe like even above this level, right? So like above this green.
So that's 5 pips, right?
Yeah, I think that's about 5 pips. 39. Whoops.
Have you tried using shift? I think it'll help.
Shift? What does it do?
Quick shift. Like if you're not clicking, there. So automatically does the measurement.
Oh, shift automatically does it. Oh shit, that's sick.
So it's just quicker if your hands on the keyboard.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's sick. That's sick. You
Yeah.
know that. Okay, yeah, no, break above this level. That would be like a 5 pip risk right here.
Yeah.
So 4 or 5 pip risk, but then you get the momentum play. You want momentum for 10 pips, and let's see if it actually hits. So 39 to 29 is what we're looking for. Let me get rid of these ones too. Boom.
Boom.
There it is.
Wow. Beautiful.
But
Just
when we're
beautiful.
trading real time, we're going to be looking at like 30-minute formation, 15 and everything.
Yeah.
But as you can see, right when this support broke, that's clear indication for the sell right there.
Yeah.
Because that support's been going on from like late Asian session, early Euro session, the early New York session, and then right when it breaks, that's your momentum play right there.
Yeah, no, 100%.
10 pips right there, and then continue. One thing I would look for is 7 o'clock, maybe support being formed, but we'll see. 654, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it looks like it's. Wait, hold up. Okay, what time is it? Okay.
57.
Yeah, I thought it was good. As soon as it did that, like on the 1 minute, I thought it was break down more.
Yeah,
because it formed
down.
And then boom, that was like what, another 10 pips.
Another 10 pips. Even below this area right here, right when that started going.
Yeah.
I think that's like another 10 pip move right here.
Yeah.
The ultra scalpers. But now we could look at the 1 hour. 1 hour has hit this area of support right here.
Yeah, that's strong.
It's a Monday, so Monday you can see it just tap into this and continue higher because we do have bullish bias on it.
Yeah, Monday, so we're creating the upper wick or the lower wick.
Yeah, this is a lower wick right now. So with the lower wick,
what's 15 minutes? 10 minutes.
Yo, honestly, if it does kind of respect this level and start reversing upwards, I think like a break below this level, you have a short. Yeah. But let's say it kind of forms like this on the lower time frames and goes up. That's the
I think so too. I think it's a form something like this.
Yeah, something like that, right? And then if it forms something like that, then you have a good indication for a buy, especially on a Monday too. Monday usually doesn't trend as often. Just based off daily.
Yeah, but I need to wait for something. I need to see more.
You need to see a support formed or like a double bottom, right?
Oh. Okay, sorry, can you go a little bit more? What time are we at now?
7:07.
Okay, 2. That's not bad.
I'm gonna go 2 more. Oh shit.
That was good. I think the reversal's happening.
I think so too.
And then, sorry, you're at 2, so that's 7:08, and then 2 more minutes, and we're heading to more liquidity. Yeah. Can you zoom in a little bit for 5?
How I would plan out the trade is I kind of think a buy limit at 25. I probably have that going into the next 5-minute candlestick. So I put a buy limit at 25, kind of like a gauger. Because if this support does hold, you basically, oh shit, what happened there? I'm gonna have my stop loss like below this wick. So that'd be like 14. But let's say it goes like even lower here, you could have your average price somewhere here now. And then your stop is still 10 pips, kind of have the core position to 10 pips at like 35, and then have the run and roll. So
for me, I'm gonna wait for it to kind of go above here, the previous bearish candlestick. Yeah. So I'll see on lower time frames if it starts consolidating. Then at least we have a break in support, and like we can see it pull back up the channel. For me, anyways.
Let's do it. Let's go. Continue. How's the 1 minute look? So we have the buy stop above. You said 30. Was it?
I don't know. You have to go back to the 5 here.
I think it was 30.
Yeah, 30-ish. I wouldn't have a buy stop. I just want to see at least it break and form above there first before I think of like my trade. Because yeah, I think the long and stuff, I agree with that, but I just want to see.
Yeah, for me, I'm gonna put the buy limit at 25, and even if it forms above here, I might add up there if it doesn't give me another limit order. But we'll see. Okay, so 25, I want to execute. Alright, continue. I'm gonna average down. I guess that would be 24, so it's nothing a big average down. Yes, whoops. What are we at? Oh fuck, this is a 15-minute candle. 17, 18. I'm gonna go one more and look at the 2-minute.
Yeah,
2-minute. 2-minute looks good.
How about 10-minute? That's good, not bad. 5-minute, please. Yeah, that's good. I'll enter.
You're gonna enter now?
Yeah, I'll enter now.
28, I think it was.
28? Okay.
28, yeah, 28.
It's 1, 12, 8, and then 50%. So 1, 8. Yeah. That's it. Oops, sorry.
I moved it.
Stop loss probably gonna be 10 for 10.
Would you go limit?
No, not yet. What's the 2-minute looking like?
No, yeah, that's not a good 2-minute. I might
Maybe
fast.
to 22.
Okay.
Maybe. Yeah.
If it breaks below here, I might get out 50%.
Yeah.
So.
Nice. 2-minute. 2-minute.
One more. Dojis.
So it's forming above.
Oh, there we go. 28.
So wait, we're at 7:30 or 7:28?
We're at 7. We could see the 30-minute candle now.
Yeah, nice. 30.
Yeah.
Okay, at least in hell. What's 15 looking like? 15. Let's find that. How about 10? 10. Not bad.
But you're right. The safest buys are above 114.31.
But yeah, you're getting good price. 5.
You're in good price action right now, though.
2, 3. It's found some supports inching there.
Even this 1-minute break above, that's decent. But you're right. I think the safest buys were above like 114.31. These are kind of risky because it could continue its down move. But if it breaks above like
because right now, like the one thing is, this is what's sketchy. But the thing is too is like we found this area here, and now it's like stuck in the range. It's 7:30, so we're gonna expect a liquidity drive into the markets.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, let's see. Oh, that looks better.
Damn, it's holding that level again too, eh? Remember what happened last time when it held this something like this?
Yeah, 4 times. Let's just see.
But 20, I think around 20, I get out 50%. So I'm gonna, yeah, there we go. 20, I'm out 50%. And I'd still have my SL at 14.
Yeah.
And then I might have a buy stop above 31 now, unless I see lower time frame kind of forming. But we'll see. We're at 37. We can look at the 2 minute. Down.
Yeah.
2 minute breaks all levels.
I have this a punch out. I'll punch out my 50%.
Okay.
I'll just wait.
I think it will be a waiting game. Oh, that's so close. I am out. SL hit.
What's the higher time frames looking like right now? Like, wait, what time?
1, 2.
Oh yeah. I just see, not quick enough because now it's just like it broke another level.
Yeah, it broke 15.
Here. Like, look at that. That's like the perfect retest.
That is right there.
Form below, test it, boom. And we're saying, yo, it did exactly the same as what happened in our first trade.
Yeah, we did say that. That like resistance formed here.
It happened exactly like the first trade.
I think the higher time frame is going to be tough to actually have a bias when you're trading intraday, because this intraday is like bearish from like what 6:30.
So we should have been looking at shorts, especially after the first one.
Yeah. Honestly, I do think now that I'm looking at it, when you go to like the 50, I'm just gonna go at 30 real quick.
Yeah.
So when you see like the 15 and the 30 kind of like have a bearish move, that's I think where you find your entries now.
Yeah.
Because those are gonna give you the entries, but when you go to like the lower time frames, that's when you could see, okay, you see this like bullish move, maybe that's a point to get out like 50% of your runner or something.
Yeah.
But when you see a clear break, like right over here, or even like right below here, look at that liquidity grab though, that's insane.
Yeah,
that's what's gonna happen in the next 15 minutes. But you see clear breaks, those are your trades right there. So it's gonna be a lot of trial and error, I feel like, but if we're both looking at it, we kind of have 4 eyes on it, and it'll be a lot easier to actually execute on it. So SL.
Well, that's good. Now we're at the 30 minutes and stuff. We can look for the final trade for the stick. That's nice.
It's a good reversal.
Is it gonna find support?
I think it has now. I think buys above like 114.20 might be it. 114.21. Third trade of the day. Let's go. 114.31 or 21 on the lower time frames. I'm gonna go to the 2 minute. So if it breaks above the 2 minute structure, you're gonna be good. Can we get 15 yet? No, one more.
It's nice.
Oh no, I can't look at 15 yet. Fuck. I forgot it goes to 16.
Oh,
20.
That's nice. Yeah. What's 1 minute looking like?
So the 22 broke up. 1 minute. Yeah, I think that's good now. Put the buy here.
So
you get your 10 pips, I think. And
what's the top of that range here? Like here?
28.
28? 28, yeah. And then right now it's at 22.
This will be an 8 for 6.
That's tough. That is tough. It's probably gonna go up to 28 now.
Monday movements, man. I'm telling you, it's tough. Yeah, there it is. Let's get one more candlestick, then we can flip through. 3.
Down. 3 minutes.
Yeah, look at how that 5 minute structure formed right on this 5 minute break. That was like the move right there. 10 minute. 10 minute looks nice. 15 minute. 30 minute. Now it's all like clear bullish right now.
Now it's clear. Now it's clear longs on how it. Yeah, I would definitely long. 10 pips, 10 for 10.
Yo, I actually gotta go in a couple minutes. I'm kind of gonna fast forward this.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna bet right now, guys. This is the final trade.
I think so. Well, I entered at the 21, but I think it hits 40s. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Boom. There it is. See, it actually did form. That structure formed where the reversal would happen.
We have to be more patient with the structure. And we see, we have to be more nimble.
Yeah, I think the thing with the structure forming is maybe we just have to like scroll through, kind of like see, okay, now we see this thing form right here. Maybe we're not entering down here, but if we see this form right here.
And that's what I like and stuff. It's just like when we are actually trading, we can just go through 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, no matter what. Without
I do think real time it's a lot easier than the simulation because it doesn't like actually have candlestick formation. But no, like look, that formation right here, I think that was a good indication for a buy. And then when you go to like 30 minute, right when this 30 minute formed, like I mean, we see into the future now, but this 30 minute continued, went back into the range up here.
Yes.
So it did go into 40s. That was the 10 pips from the 31. Yeah, right here is the 10 pips on the 31.
And runner from here, I think I saw it go to 50s.
Did you? Space off the 30. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, I mean, we're out of our core position. I don't really care.
Yeah, exactly. We're out of the core. We're just chilling.
And see, this is the beauty. The core position and the runner now would make up for all our losses.
Basically,
I think would be in the problem.
Now you just leave the runner running.
That's in the range, and it's like what, 10 o'clock now? Boom.
1:30. Get the runner going. There it goes. Oh shit. I think buys above here next session. If we had to do it, buys above 70.
Yeah.
That would be
next session. Wow. Beautiful. Just beautiful.
So the European pullback. So volatile. God damn. When did it actually break out?
News, let me see if there's news. Yeah. Wait, do you have to go now, or do you want to do this, or wait?
No, I gotta go, but I mean, we could see what happens.
We'll just save it for the next day.
Sounds good. I just want to see when it breaks out because we're at like what? We're at 5:30 now, so 6 o'clock. I think you have
typically. I think 6 o'clock is building towards the direction. The first push is 7, then 7:30, then 8.
Yeah,
honestly,
that's usually what
that's
happens,
like the golden time.
Even 6:30, I think 6 o'clock is a formation. 6:30, you have a move. 7 o'clock, you have another move, and then 8 o'clock, you have another move. So you can get like one move per hour between 6 and 9, I guess. So yeah, this I think safe buys are gonna be above this level anyway. 70 safe buys. It
looks like it's building towards that because you have it trending up, like higher lows and stuff. Oh, and obviously it hurt me. Boom.
But when you see the formation of the candlestick, it's like that. The wick is just. This might just be the liquidity grab at 7. Yeah, 7
that's what you're gonna see on lower time frames.
Yeah, the liquidity grab and reversal, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, look at that liquidity grab, and then this push up right here. This is when you would exit.
And the best entry, honestly, would be right, where you got like when it breaks this one.
Yeah, right when it breaks the red.
Here, so you're forming above this zone, and it's broken past this area, and it's straight sailing, and that's like a nice 15 pips.
Exactly, and now when this 30-minute close at 7:30, closed above these candlesticks here,
it's gonna go to 70 easy.
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 And now you have a takeoff.
Yeah, you have a breakout.
Boom.
And this is and think about it, this trade right here. This whole thing, that's like the runner was gonna make up for this day because this day didn't pay well. Let's just say we're like break even on this day, but wow, this day, boom,
exactly.
It's like inception squares.
That's what it always seems like, though. It seems like Mondays are always like this. It's kind of building up for the week. So
I mean, Uncle Ted and Roger say don't bank or don't bank don't bet the whole account on Mondays or Fridays.
Exactly. But on Tuesday,
Wednesday, Thursday.
The whole account. Yeah. But no, be patient. Buddy. I think the same thing might happen tomorrow when we're trading. We might just have some crazy range form before it goes up or down. So we'll see. We're obviously gonna play price action, have 4 eyes on it.
analyzing 1 minute, 2 minute, just in our minds, we have to. I think to check like the charts is like some highlights would be like obviously every 5 minutes is going to be the breadstone of the smaller time frames, but then we check 1 minute, 2 minute, and then every 10 minutes would be all that. I don't know, we're just constantly, I'm going to be treating trading view as like a calculator.
Yeah, it's basically what the trading psychology 2.0 book said. It's like you have to take market information, and the quicker you analyze and the sharper you are, the better it's going to be, right?
Yeah, it is like, yo, we could have gone the shorts. We were just not nimble.
Oh yeah, 100%.
That 1 minute, or was it 2 minute? It hit 4 times.
It did,
and then it broke down. So we were nimble enough. We could have gone the short.
Exactly. But yo, I gotta go. I think that was a good lesson, good analysis, good everything. But we will see everybody tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock sharp. If anyone wasn't.
All right, sounds good, everyone.